let's see. We got almost 30 cars for small tire, 20 for street class. Are you calling me? My phone's ringing. Getting ready to do driver's meetings, so it should be a good day. The weather's perfect. It's gonna be fun.
First banger of the year. Let's do this. The front of the car needs to stay behind that for the burnout, right? So that's the biggest thing we're asking. Just start, the front of the car needs to stay behind that gate. It's prep only burnouts, no water, please. It's gonna be bumper at this end and bumper at the other end, okay? There's a video down there. Blake has it set up. That'll make the calls at the finish line if you need to make that call.
6 seconds. 6 seconds. Run back, hit the light.
There it is.
6 seconds each person. If you're bumping, if you're going to go in first or second with your opponent, make sure you arrange that with your opponent. And if you're going first or second, let me know.
Every round.
Every round. Doesn't matter. I'm going to forget. Otherwise, it's going to be random choice each time.
So we don't have a tire crack camera. But just, I mean, we're low buck here on that deal. If you are worried that either your opponent is going to have that problem, I would say have somebody in your crew film it, and after the round, we would look at any of that kind of stuff. I just ask that you wait until after the round's complete. There's something, bring it to us, and we'll look at it then, okay? Chris will have the final call on the back of the end and on the crack, so he's the man to talk to.
Put the spin out tune-up back in it.
About to get gap-tized my street car. Let's see. Hey, really, it's gonna be a good race. We got last pair 14, and I got left lane, and Billy got right. So we'll see what happens. But I'm excited. I actually wanted Tommy just because he won the last race and we were there. But Billy will do too. I'd take out somebody at least, not one of us.
Sean,
so
come on.
That's all it.
Drew, really the one person I didn't want to, Colt.
Yep.
So for 2 reasons. 1, he's as fast as me, and 2, I really wanted us to go farther than first round. So really disappointed. It's gonna suck. Whoever loses, it sucks. I hate drawing the teammate first round.
You got his ass. Turn that shit off. Shit. He won't make that mistake again. Video, dude, that thing is sick. It literally like uses a gallon per tire. Luckily, Alan's paying for it.
Steering rack broke.
That?
Steering rack broke.
All right.
Yeah, I just got to put it on.
Okay.
Yeah, it just came off.
close was it?
I don't know. He started coming around me, and then I don't even know where my foot was.
Nice pass.
That was a hell of a race. Yeah, I slowed down. You did? I didn't even drag you, dude. Really?
Left. Gotta be left.
What's up? We're in Second Chance racing Billy in the finals.
Yes. Go bump. TJ and Party Pack, so Mac final and small tire. Second chance race. Bumper just got Billy, so Mac wins. Mac wins banger. That works. But we're about to watch TJ and Party Pack go, so this is going to be a good one.
on the light and did a crazy wheelie, but TJ A to B all night, man. TJ, they both done a great job. Mac wins both. Hell yeah. And Zarek did a great job in Daily Driver. Nice job, Zarek. In a car that went down to the final 3 or 4 out of 20, that's badass.
Dude, that would have been a race if he would have gone on the ground.
He was still way out.
Dude, I don't know, Party Pack, if you guess, good shit, but man, you cut that light right there. That was nice.